Welcome to our video, where we embark on an exhilarating journey into the world of large planes and their extraordinary ability to overcome runway constraints. Today, we focus on one legendary aircraft, the C-5 Galaxy. Get ready to be amazed as we uncover the secrets behind their efficiency. Our story begins with a breathtaking view of the C-5 Galaxy, a true titan of the skies. With its colossal size and awe-inspiring presence, this aircraft has revolutionized military and cargo transportation, but how does it conquer the limitations of runways with such ease? The answer lies in the first key element: powerful engines. The C-5 Galaxy boasts an incredible thrust-to-weight ratio, enabling it to accelerate rapidly and take off efficiently, even with a full load. Through the combination of advanced engineering, innovative technologies, and skilled pilots, these large planes showcase the incredible achievements of human ingenuity in the world of aviation. Join us next time as we continue to unveil the wonders of aviation and delve into the fascinating stories behind remarkable aircraft. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. Thank you for watching, and until next time, fly high and fly safe.